dude. That was some incredible acrobatics.
Where's your glasses, Jared?
On the ground right there.
What are you two doing tonight?
I have to write an essay, man.
After work.
Come over to stop.
We're gonna do a big bonfire.
If I get my essay done, I'd be down to stop by. I have a midterm at 7 a.m. too, so I mean,
Oof.
kind of fucked, but that guy was like right over there. Hey, you guys, through those trailers. Come here. Come here. Stop flying that shit over my property. I can hear it super loud. It's bugging me. I was like, oh my god.
Okay, sorry. Not really.
All right, Jared, don't trash.
Fuck it up, Buttercup.
Before you arm it, let me check your video antenna. Don't arm it, okay? Yeah, it looks good. You're good to go. Just figuring out ways to do it right now, and they're building like passenger ones that carry people and stuff. Like in the next couple of years, we're gonna see